Yeah.
They're huge.
These elephant ears, they're
You don't know
humongous.
what we mean by elephant ear. That's
Like, there's the hills over there that I filmed my first video at. And we are in these woods, and we found these giant elephant ears. Caleb's getting a closer look at them. And there's just flowers coming up here. This area is great. The creek extends that down there?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. It doesn't look like it's much water, though.
No, but that's just right here. See?
Oh.
Well, look at these trunks.
Holy crap.
Look at that compared to my hand. My hand's like maybe 5 to 6 inches. Well, probably not 6 inches. 4 to 5 inches. These things are huge.
Holy crap.
I love these plants too.
They're great. They really are. There's a tire right there.
You gotta take it in like in first person.
Tire. Yeah.
It's hard to tell how big these leaves are and everything.
Oh, my foot's sinking in the mud. Whoa. The creek feel good?
Yeah, it's cold, but it's hard to get farther. We've just been exploring.
Yeah.
I guess we found our way down to here.
Wow.
These things are huge.
I know.
Like, look at that. These leaves are big. They gotta be like 2 to 3 feet, if not bigger.
Oh,
Some of them are like at least 4 feet.
Oh, yeah. Easy.
Let's make our way back up, see if we can find anything else cool. I'm gonna keep my phone out for now because I mean we found our way down to there, and that was the least of it. I am so glad this is the life I got to have, because if I saw this on YouTube, oh gosh, I'd be like, man.
This is just incredible. I mean, to me, this is like, oops. To me, this is like insane. Like, I've never seen anything like this.
Well, no, I'm gonna put this in my other video that I made.
Ah.
Yeah. If you wonder what the editing app I use is, it's called Splice. Yeah, that's really it.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. I wish I was. But I'm gonna end this video here. Well, this part. I don't know if there's gonna be any more. That's Tyler Cooper.
Oh, hi there.
And then there's me. Yeah. Bye for now.
Dude. Oh, there's another bottle over there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Did you end your video?
Not yet.
No.
I'm just gonna give one last look around. And then we can, end the video.
You done? Yeah.
Boy,
What?
you're being impatient.
Yeah, I am. I really am.
Hey,
Want the
my
bat?
bad. Okay. Alright, I'm ending the video here. Hopefully I'll upload soon enough
Yeah.
until I can find something entertaining enough.
Like if we
to-
catch a snake.
Yeah. In your snake trap.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm
Crawfish.
ending the video here. Like and subscribe if you're even watching this.
Please, same for me. I would
Yeah,
love that.
yeah. Please
Anyone
go-
who's not subscribed to me, just please subscribe to me.
yeah, go subscribe to
Even if you're one of
Caleb's Life.
Tyler's friends.
Caleb's
please.
Life on YouTube and Brandon's Bacon on YouTube. He's my brother, and this is my friend.
And he never uploads because he can't anymore. Supposedly.
Yeah, his phone is
There's
broken.
another one of those trees I was talking about.
Alright, like I said for the third time, I'm ending the video. Be sure to like and
You like me?
subscribe, and I'll probably upload soon.
Bye, peoples,
Bye.
YouTubes.